Hello all, welcome to Sam's Kitchen. Today we'll be making Paneer Bhurji. Take a kadai and add oil 4 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 chopped onion, fried for 2 minutes. Add 1 chopped capsicum, 1 medium-sized chopped tomato, salt, mix and fry for another 2 to 4 minutes. Add haldi 1 teaspoon, dhaniya powder 2 teaspoon, jeera powder 1 teaspoon, chili powder 2 teaspoon, mix and fry for 2 minutes. Add about 100 gram of smashed paneer. Mix it properly. After 3 minutes of cooking, it's almost ready now. You can have it with jeera rice or roti. Do let us know if you like this variety of paneer. Hit the like button and comment. And if you're new to this channel, then do subscribe. Thank you.